Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today you're going to join me in an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels, the 40 Ford Pickup. So this is from a brand new series for 2022, and it's the Hot Wheels Drag Strip series, and this is kind of like a drag version of the 40 Ford Pickup for drag racing. This is a really nice casting. Number 181 of 250 for a 2022. This is a K-Case car. I picked this up like, a month ago or so, but Target find. And I'm going to start getting open some of the newer Hot Wheels, so brand new series here. Get this open. Alright, look at this blue color. Liking the blue color on this one, and then gold 5-spoke wheels. Take a nice look, beautiful hood scoop there. Love the classic cars in the Hot Wheels lineup, guys. This is really cool. And then we got the checkers kind of design. We have a red interior on this one. There's the red bed. Very nice. Decent amount of metal on this thing. Black plastic base, and looks like they updated the base. This originally came out in 99, I think, or 98, around there. And look at that. Red, white, and black on the side. Can you read that there? Cams. Can't quite read the sponsors there, but super cool. New 2022 Hot Wheels. See how the wheels spin. Very good spinning wheels. Wonder how this would do in a race. I wouldn't imagine that good since it's kind of like a lowered vehicle, but take a nice look at those big fenders there. Nice graphics on the fenders. Wheelie bar, the parachute that comes out there. Pretty cool new drag car. New Hot Wheels for 2022. Very nice. Very nice. Awesome vehicle. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe. And what car do you want me to open next? Please comment down below. Love reading your comments. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.